Hey everybody, it's Brooke with WTI. I used to be an extremely avid reader, but after getting married and having a baby, it's kind of fallen away a bit. But not anymore. I got this book for going on a spa trip with my husband. It's called The Last Thing He Told Me, and it's by Laura Dave. And I have not been able to put it down. I finished it in days. The way she develops this story is so exciting, you're not going to be able to put it down. It starts out following a girl named Hannah, who at the age of 38 has been married to who she thinks is the love of her life for only 1 year. When all of a sudden, one day, he does not come home from work and his firm is being investigated, leaving her alone with his 16-year-old daughter, Bailey, who hates her. They are left to try and figure out where he has gone, whether he's involved, and if he's really who they thought he was. If you're looking for a fast-paced book with tons of twists and turns, and you are not going to be able to put it down, this is the book for you. But that's just my point of view.